To enable and use predictive text on your Galaxy Watch with your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra on your phone, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it, tap watch setting, scroll down the screen, tap general, under input section, tap Samsung keyboard, under smart typing section, tap the gray on off switch next to predictive text until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how this feature works on your Galaxy Watch, open an app where you can type, like when you are browsing something on the search engine. Now type something. As you can see, as you are typing, word suggestion will appear above the keyboard. You can tap a suggested word to insert it instantly. With the predictive text, your words becomes even more convenient for quick replies and messages. Thus, activating this feature ensures you can breeze through typing even on a small screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.